In life, we are often presented with choices. Choices that can define our path, shape our destiny, and ultimately determine our level of success and fulfillment. Every day, millions of individuals wake up to the same routine, the same job, the same struggles. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from the ordinary? What if I told you there's a path to financial freedom and personal empowerment? But before we dive into this subject, please hit the subscribe button in the lower right corner for more content on achieving true financial freedom. Introducing the red pill and the blue pill. Two choices, two destinies. Take the red pill and you embark on a journey towards financial liberation. You choose to take control of your destiny, to unlock your full potential, to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. With our revolutionary online downloadable video courses, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and expertise. By choosing the red pill, you're not just making a decision, you're making a commitment to yourself, a commitment to excellence, a commitment to a life of abundance and fulfillment. But what if you choose the blue pill? What if you decide to stay in your comfort zone, to cling to the familiar, to settle for mediocrity? Sure, you may continue on your current path. You may keep your job, pay your bills, and live a relatively comfortable life. But deep down, will you ever truly be satisfied? Will you ever realize your full potential? Will you ever experience the true joy of living life on your own terms? The choice is yours. Choose wisely. Take the first step towards a brighter future. Take the red pill today.